Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how we can create a simple crosstab report. So we are on the landing page of Cognos. I'll create a new report. Go to the menu, select new, select report. And here, as you can see, select one column as I always do. I select one column format. So template, I'll create it. The left hand side, just try to select any source of your choice, which is available on the Google Cloud. Sorry, you can say it is available from the IBM Cloud. Select this from industry, retail. I can select any of the sources, coffee, data, and sales and marketing. Okay, so my source is selected as I can see on the left hand side. Once my source is selected, I'm going to create a crosstab report. So I'm going to have two options. Either I can select it from the tools on the top toolbox, or I can select from the plus sign. So both options are same. I'll just select it from the plus sign, select a crosstab, provide a crosstab name as a crosstab underscore product, provide the query name, query underscore product, select OK. You can see my crosstab container is ready. Okay, I'll go to source to the left hand side. I'll select the data what I can put it over here in the rows and columns. In the crosstab, as you can see, I have three places. I have rows, as you can see. I have columns and I have measures, and you can see the arrow sign where I have to drop the data. The left hand side, I'll try to select the values, like I will select product type on the rows. I need to drop it, and once it is blinking, I need to you can say leave my control. You can say leave my mouse button. Similarly, what all information we can put in the columns for the sample data? Let us just try to have dates, and in the dates we'll have quarter, for example. Try to have this quarter in the columns, and we'll have measures. Also, let us try to see what all things we can put in the measures. So we have sales versus target. We'll drop the sales versus target in the measures in between. So pretty my crosstab, simple crosstab is ready. I'll provide a header to it. As you can say, product analysis. Simple one. I'll just change the font. I'll make it to at least which is visible, bold, foreground color to maroon. Okay, okay. And I'll simple run this report. So again, you can say you can run this report in multiple formats. So I've run the report in the default format, which is available. So I'll get the output. And this report run output, it depends. So now see, this is my simple report, which is created, which is having only one quarter data. It depends on what is the data available in the backend. So it depends on the data, and based on the information you'll be getting the output over here. If I want to go back to my report, I can go to my previous tab, which is still open. I'll go to my previous tab. And if I want to close this output, I'll close this output. If I want to edit something, I just need to select this quarter. I just need to delete from the keyboard. Sorry, I will be going to this dates folder, and here this time I'll select dates to this column. Let us see. I have this option to run this report in different options. Like I can run the report in PDF, Excel data, CSV, XML, a lot of different options are there. But for now, I'm choosing to run the report in HTML only. I see there is a lot of different columns are added because I have selected date. So your report has been extended to the rightmost, you can say. It depends on the requirement, what requirement you are having, and based on your requirement, try to choose the data or the items to be placed in the rows and the data or items to be placed in the columns. So that is how we have created a very simple crosstab report in IBM Cognos. Yep. Thank you, everyone.